paradise, put up a parking lot with a pink hotel, a boutique, and a swinging hot spot. Don't it always seem to go that you don't know what you got till it's gone? They paid paradise, put up a parking lot. They took all the trees, put them in a tree museum. And they charged all the people $1.50 just to see them. And don't it always seem to go that you don't know what you got till it's gone? They made paradise, put up a parking lot. Oh, that you don't know what you got. Don't it always seem to go that you don't know what you got till it's gone? Gone till it's gone. Gone till it's gone. Late last night, I heard the screen door slam, and a big yellow taxi took away my old man. Don't it always seem to go that you don't know what you got till it's gone? Don't it always seem to go? No, you don't know what you got till it's gone. Don't know what you got, don't know what you got.
Don't it always seem to go?
That you don't know what you got till it's gone.
Don't it always seem to go?
No, you don't know what you got till it's gone.
Don't know what you got, don't know what you got.
Don't it always seem to go that you don't know what you got? Don't it always seem to go that you don't know what you got?
Don't know what you got till it's gone.
Don't know what you got. Don't know what you got. Don't know what you got. Don't know what you got.
Hello? 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 Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Hello? I'm live. Welcome to the third annual Sounds of the Scots. We have the Edinburgh Choir here, and followed by Highlands Harmony is a student-run group by Kellen Smith, a cappella group, I should say. Following that, we'll have pipes and drums, and then the big concert band, and a final piece combining the choir and concert band at the end. I hope that first tune, I should say, sounded familiar. If you're a Joni Mitchell fan, Big Yellow Taxi, so shout out in the choral realm of things that we can honor her in that song. The next two pieces, the first is Soon I Will, no, I lied. Even When God is Silent, an arrangement by Michael Horvit. This is kind of our slower piece. The lyrics, or the text that was set to this piece was found written on the wall of a concentration camp after World War II. And following that piece, we will have Soon I Will Be Done, an arrangement by William L. Dawson. I do want to recognize two graduating students this year before we move on. And the first is in our soprano section. Can we just give it up for Allison Bangle? And in the alto section, we have, oh my gosh, Michaela King, Mac King, sorry.
troubles of the world, going home to live with God. Sooner we'll be done with the troubles of the world, troubles of the world, the troubles of the world. Sooner we'll be done with the troubles of the world, going home to live with God. I want to meet my mother. I want to meet my mother. I want to meet my mother.
Going to live with God. I
want to meet my mother. I want to meet my mother. I want to meet my mother.
going to live with God.
Sooner we'll be done with the troubles of the world, the troubles of the world, the troubles of the world. Sooner we'll be done with the troubles of the world, going home to live with God. Sooner we'll be done with the troubles of the world, the troubles of the world, the troubles of the world. Sooner we'll be done with the troubles of the world, going home to live with God. No more wailing, no more wailing, no more weeping and a wailing. I'm going to live with God. No more wailing, no more wailing,
No more.
no more wailing, no weeping and a wailing, wailing, weeping, no wailing, no more.
No more weeping.
Sooner we'll be done with the troubles of the world, the troubles of the world, the troubles of the world. Sooner we'll be done with the troubles of the world, going home to live with God. Sooner we'll be done with the troubles of the world, the troubles of the world, the troubles of the world. Sooner we'll be done with the troubles of the world, going home to live with God.
I
want to meet my Jesus. I want to meet my Jesus. I want to meet my Jesus.
going to live with God. I
want to meet my Jesus. I want to meet my Jesus. I want to meet my
something so wrong.
Everything that kills me makes me feel alive.
All right. Can everybody hear me? All right. As a brief musical interlude, we're going to go ahead and we're the Penn West Edinburgh Pipes and Drums. So we're going to play a few selections for you while they change the stage and get everything set up. So the first set that we're going to do is five. It's a medley of 5 tunes. So we'll start with Bluebells of Scotland, which is a traditional 18th century Scottish ballad. We'll go into a traditional sort of Jacobite tune called Charlie, Will You Know Come Back Again, which, while it was written after the uprising of 45, was written to honor Bonnie Prince Charlie as he was exiled to France. Then we'll go into Robin Adair, which is an Irish tune, and then we'll play that classic Scotland the Brave, which I'm sure you've heard before. And then we'll go into Terabus, which is a war cry from a battle fought in 1513. So we'll go ahead and start with that set, and then we'll come back and play another tune after that. Thank you, thank you. So the next tune that we'll play is Highland Cathedral. So Highland Cathedral actually was written for the Highland Games in Munich, Germany. So it was written in 1982 by a German Ulrich Rover and Michael Korb in preparation for the Highland Games in Munich. So we'll go ahead and play Highland Cathedral. So Chris, who is a nursing student, is going to start off with the solo of Highland Cathedral. Gemma, who is an alumni of Edinburgh, is going to accompany him on the drums, and then the rest of the band will come in for the rest of the tune. You. So, all right, and I think we will go ahead and head out. So, all right.
check. Can you hear me now? Check, check. Okay, thank you. That was Cheerio March by Edwin Goldman. Before we continue, can we hear it one more time for the choir and the pipe band? They sounded fantastic. My name is Diane Smith, and I'm blessed to be here with these amazing young adults. I owe an apology to Riley for starting too soon before you're ready for pipe band. I apologize. I'll bring you cookies on Monday. Sorry. The concert band is made up of students from all different majors, none of whom are music majors, and a few guest musicians, several of whom are former students. Since we only play in the spring semester, our seniors consist of people that are graduating in May and people that are graduating in December. At this time, if you are a senior, if you would please stand up and be recognized, I would appreciate it. Our next piece was recommended by a friend of mine, and I'm really glad that I was smart enough to listen to him. It's called Instant Concert by Harold Walters, and it contains 30 melodies, including everyone's favorite anvil chorus. And since an actual anvil is against safety regulations, Shane has come up with an alternative. See how many melodies you can recognize during this song. Our guest soloist for this evening is my friend Brian Koosman. I have known Brian for over 20 years, and I know you will enjoy his talent as much as I do. A native of Erie, Brian has been involved in music and theater from an early age. After graduating from McDowell High School, he went on to earn his BA in music from the University of Dayton. Trained as a tenor, Brian studied voice under the direction of Dr. Linda Snyder, John Wesley Wright, and Lee Hoffman. In addition to singing, he also studied piano, organ, and guitar. Brian loves to perform with other musicians. He has enjoyed many musical opportunities around Erie, Edinboro, Dayton, and Jamestown areas, including musical theater, performances with the Lake Erie Choral Artists under the direction of Steve Woods, and the occasional karaoke indulgence. Brian currently works as the Director of Music and Liturgy at Our Lady of Peace Church, where he oversees the music program, accompanies several ensembles, and dabbles in arranging and composing. When I was searching for a song for him to sing with the concert band, I happened upon Santa Lucia, which is an old Italian tune that I had never heard before. My parents lived in Italy when my dad was in the Air Force. Thank you, Dad, for serving, and thank you to all of veterans out there that have served. We appreciate it very much. So I played it, yeah, for sure. I found Santa Lucia, and I'm like, hey, Mom, see if you've ever heard this before. And as soon as I started playing it, she started singing along. So then it was a done deal. We have to do this tune. So here's the translation. On the sea glitters the silver star, gentle the waves, favorable the winds. Come into my nimble little boat, St. Lucy. Sea so calm, the wind so dear, forget what makes trouble for the sailor, and go shout with merriment, St. Lucy. Please welcome my friend, Brian Koosman.
Santa Lucia.
I'm not surprised, not everything lasts. I've broken my heart so many times I stopped keeping track. Talk myself in, I talk myself out. I get all worked up and then I let myself down. I tried so very hard not to lose it. I came up with a million excuses. I thought of every possibility. I know someday it'll all turn out. You make me work so we can work to work it out. And I promise you, kid, I'll give so much more than I get. I just haven't met you yet. Oh, I might have to wait, I'll never give up. I guess it's half timing and the other half's luck. Wherever you are, whenever it's right, you come out of nowhere and into my life. I know that we can be so amazing. And baby, your love is gonna change me. And now I can see every possibility. And somehow I know it'll all turn out. You make me work so we can work to work it out. And I promise you, kid, I'll give so much more than I get. I just haven't met you yet. They say all's fair in love and war, but I won't need to fight it. We'll get it right and we'll be united. Gonna change me, and now I can see every single possibility. And someday I know it'll all turn out, and I'll work to work it out. I promise you, kid, I'll give so much more than I get. Then I get, then I get, then I get. Oh, you know it'll all turn out. You make me work so we can work to work it out. And I promise you, kid, I'll give so much more than I get. I just haven't met you yet. I just haven't met you yet. I promise you, kid, to give so much more than I get. I said love, 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 love. I just haven't met you yet. Love, 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 love. I just haven't met you yet.
Hello? Can you hear me? Hello? Can you hear me now? Fantastic. May I see that, please? Hi, everybody. My name is Frank Hawbaker. I am the president for Kappa Kappa Psi Nu Zeta on Edinburgh's campus. So as you guys know, we had a couple things going on today. We had some fundraisers out there. Thank you all again for donating and buying some stuff. It really helps us help the bands on campus. So first I'm going to start off with the Games on the Go basket. The winner of that is Nell Hill. I'll put that there. Nice. So the next basket is the Ready, Set, Reset basket. And that one is Carissa Kelmy. Last, but certainly not least, is the Making Music basket. And this one, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry if I screwed this up. Is it Shanada Alberson? Not even close? I tried. Y'all know who it was. Thank you all again for that. I really appreciate that. Next up, Kappa Kappa Psi on campus. For the past couple years, we have been sponsoring a William P. Alexander Memorial Scholarship on campus. This scholarship is used to recognize outstanding musicians on our campus from every single ensemble that we have. So we have like our pipe band, concert band, choral, etc. So first, I would like to, if you do win, can you please come up and get this, because I don't want to carry this all the time. So the winner of the concert band recipient of the William P. Alexander Memorial Scholarship is Audrey Kemick. Next up is our marching band recipient. The recipient for the marching band William P. Alexander Memorial Scholarship is Hazel Whitcroft. Next up, the winner of the University Singers recipient of the William P. Alexander Memorial Scholarship is Emma Burkett. And last but not least, the winner of the pipe band recipient of the William P. Memorial Scholarship is KT Reiner. Last thing I promise, guys. So the next piece and the final piece of the concert band portion of the concert tonight is called In the Presence of Heroes by James Swearington. And he wrote a little thing for us to read about this, and Mrs. Smith had asked if I could read this for you guys. So this is from James Swearington's perspective. As a young boy, I followed in the footsteps of many children who typically idolized athletes and entertainers as their heroes. Now, as an adult, my thoughts about heroism have changed dramatically and in a totally new direction. While I still admire the talents of my previous idols, I have now come to the realization that the real heroes of society are people who often go unnoticed and in some cases are seldom appreciated. The firemen, the policemen, the soldier serving overseas to protect our country, the teacher, the minister, and those in the medical profession are but a small sample of people who devote their daily lives to the health, welfare, and safety of others. Their identities, especially when out of uniform, might not be known. However, be assured that the many citizens whose lives they have touched will forever be indebted. It's quite possible that they are amongst us in this audience. If so, then In the Presence of Heroes is but a small way for this composer to simply say thank you.
Ready?
Thank you, everybody. The Promise of Living is the final song from Act One of Copland's opera, The Tenderland, written in 1954. Its story centers on family members at a farm in the Midwest as daughter Lori graduates from high school and she ultimately leaves her family behind to see what the world has in store for her. Though its theme is farm life, it is very meaningful to all of us. To me, it's a song about optimism and all that is good. What might be, what can be, what wonders and beautiful experiences does the future hold? Thanks for attending tonight, and really appreciate your support. And, you know, occasionally I see Cody, and Diane, and Brian in the halls and the music, and we all really enjoy making music together. And it's wonderful that we can bring all the students together making music, and they've been a delight to work with. And it's all about, you know, sharing what you work on and do. And we're happy to be able to do that with you tonight. So thanks so much. Have a safe trip home.